Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to talk about a feature within Google Docs called Voice Type. This is a great way to be able to speak content while you're using Google Docs, and so let's go ahead and take a look. And so already I've opened up Google Docs, so this is just my Google Docs, and again we're going to talk about voice typing. And so as a tool, this has been here for a little while, this isn't something new, but I think it's helpful for folks to know about. If you go under Tools when you're in a blank document, or even if you open up a previously populated document, you can do that as well and just start voice typing. You can click on Tools, come down here to Voice Typing here. There is a shortcut key that's associated with it. On my Mac, it's a Command-Shift-S. On a PC, it's going to look a little bit differently, or be a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. And what happens is it puts a little microphone. Now I'm in dark mode, so it shows up nice on the video, but this would typically kind of look like a red microphone or just be off here to the side. And when I click on it, it's going to actually start recording my voice and putting it out there, not only to dictate text into my document, but also it allow me to navigate or correct or amend what may be already there. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit the microphone. Hello, how are you doing today? Question mark. Man, this weather is unseasonably cold, period. I hope daylight savings time hurries up and makes it lighter in the evening so that I can see when I get home from work, period. And then I can turn that off, and once I turn that off, it does a really pretty good job with recognition accuracy, depending on the user's voice, breath control, how well you can recognize what they're saying. It's going to do a good job, reasonably good job. It also allows you to control the document. We mentioned that a little bit as well. If I click on the microphone, I'm going to go ahead and choose time. I'm going to select time, and I'm going to change that word. Select time. Day. And then I'm going to click on this microphone and turn that off. And so then it automatically fixes some of that punctuation and the spacing and those types of things. But you can kind of see, not only is it great to be able to get text down on the document, so for folks who struggle trying to get their thoughts down on paper, but it also allows you to be able to control it. And that's really helpful for folks who maybe have keyboard issues, keyboard access, mouse issues, where they struggle with a mouse and a keyboard. So Google Voice Type's free, it's built in, didn't have to load an add-on or anything like that. But you can find that again up underneath your Tools menu in a Google Doc, and then you can go down to Voice Typing. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.